Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to link WooCommerce to your Facebook shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page, where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections for managing your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding Facebook shop to our WooCommerce. So basically, by opening a WooCommerce first, you're going to go ahead and find it right here at the left side screen. Opening it up is going to enable us to go ahead and start a new store if you do not already have one, or you can get started managing your store if you have already created one. And now we can get started. So what we want to do to add your store to connect it is add the plugin. You want to click the plugin option right here at the left side screen. By clicking plugins, it's going to open up this new plugins marketplace where you can find all the plugins that you can use for your website. And what we want to do is use the search bar right here at the top of the screen, and we want to search for WooCommerce Facebook. So by searching for WooCommerce Facebook, guys, it's going to go ahead and give us a result of applications and plugins we can use. And what we want to use, guys, is Facebook for WooCommerce. So this is the plugin we want to use. Go ahead and open it up, and now you can get started installing it by clicking the install button that's going to appear right here. If you cannot see the install button, you need to upgrade your plan. As you can see, I'm currently on a free plan, so I cannot install it. By clicking the install button, it's going to enable you to install the plugin to your WooCommerce store, so you'll be able to set it up, connect your Facebook, and so on, and set up your shop that way. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.